Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to block someone on Heyday. To block someone on Heyday, first of all, open up the Heyday application on your device, and once you're inside the homepage, tap on the Friends button at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Friends tab and then tap on the little book icon on the left hand side. Now, click on the in-game friends option and you will then be able to see the list of your in-game friends that you can block. If you want to block the certain contact, tap the block button right next to their name. Tap it again to confirm that you'd like to block the contact, and you will then be able to remove the contact from your friend list as well as block the contact. Once the player has been blocked, they will no longer be able to send you messages or visit your forum. If you change your mind, you can always unblock them by finding the unblock button right next to their name in the same in-game friends tab. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.